Now let's go to a dashboard, and you know that to go to a dashboard we have to write our domain / wp-admin and then hit enter, and then you will be on your dashboard. Now you have to go to this option which is posts, and then you have to go to this add new post option. And as our niche is related to technology, mobile gadgets, so we'll write the blogs in the same niche, and we'll also link products which we'll review, and this will help us to sell more, and these things also help in our SEO. And you can see welcome to the blog editor, and they are telling you many other things. You can just read them, but they are of no use to us right now. So I see that we haven't added the RankMath SEO plugin till now. So you should just go ahead and add the RankMath SEO plugin. To do that, just go to plugin, hit add new, and then you should go and search for RankMath. And yeah, you can see this WordPress SEO plugin RankMath. You have to just go ahead and install it, and you'd be seeing this red option here, and this denotes that there are some pending updates, or there are some pending problems which you have to fix. So to just do them, you have to go to your installed plugins, and let's see that what plugin is causing an error or what plugin needs an update. And yes, right now you can see that all our plugins are fine, and we can see the update available for a plugin which is our WZone affiliate plugin. But as this plugin is a GPL licensed plugin, we cannot update it. So let's just go ahead and activate our RankMath SEO plugin. Go to inactive tab, and then you will see the RankMath SEO plugin. As we haven't activated it right now, just hit the activate option below it, and you will see that the plugin has been activated. And then what you should do is you should just go to its setup wizard, and it will open in a new tab. Then you have to connect your account to it, and this is just nothing. You have to create an account and log in into it. So I'll just go ahead and log in, and now I have just logged in from Google, and then you can see you're about to activate RankMath on this site bestamazingsales.com. Just hit OK, and then it will load for a while. It will do some settings, and then the setup wizard would open, and you have to go and select this advanced section, as I'm going to teach you a bit of SEO through which you would be able to rank your website. And guys, don't think that you'll write one blog and organic traffic would start coming from it. That's not the way, because just think that many other people, that I mean from many millions of other people, write blogs every day. So it's just not possible that you write a single blog and traffic starts coming in. But yes, if you stay consistent, post blogs every day or a week, but they should be quality. They should have quality content. And if you keep them posting, you'll surely see some organic traffic after 3 months, 6 months, a year, and that would be profitable for you. Also, when you start getting traffic, you can apply for Google AdSense, and you can implement ads on your website and also make a good amount of revenue from it. But at the starting, you won't get a lot of traffic, and to get traffic, you'd have to pay Google, you'd have to make campaigns on Facebook, and there are many different aspects of paid promotions. So let's not discuss it right now, and go ahead and start the wizard. Now you can see here we are on our site, and you can select that what best amazing sales is. So I would just say that it is a web shop, and it is a business type. You can say it is technology or something like that. We can search for mobiles. Yeah, so you can say this is a mobile phone store, and this doesn't matter much, but you can just go ahead and add whatever you want, and you can see if it doesn't match to any of your niche, you can just go ahead and add an organization or local business types. Now the name is best amazing sales. Then you can add a logo for Google. You can also add a default social share image, and I'll tell you that how you can do these. So this is a thing for some next videos. Now let's just save and continue, and let's complete the setup wizard. Now you can see you have to add it to your Google search console. Now you just have to go ahead and click on get authorization code. Now you have to click on your email, and then you have to hit allow. Now you will see your authorization code. You just have to copy it, and you should not share it with anyone, and then you should just go ahead and hit authorize, and you'll see that your account has been authorized from Google Play. Now you have to create a search console profile. To do that, you just have to click here to get your website verified. You have to just go ahead and click on it. Then you'll see this page where you have to search console verification page, and then a new tab will open where you will be redirected to Webmaster Central. Now you just have to copy this code and paste it here, and then you have to just hit save changes, and then after you hit save changes and you see the code here, what you have to do is you have to hit verify here, and yes, then you will see that it has been verified. Great job, best amazing sales is now verified, and you can now use Google services for your property such as search console. And yes, we have made the basic settings for our website. Now let's just go ahead and see that what RankMath offers us in the free version, because you'd have heard about Yoast SEO plugin, but what RankMath plugin offers in the free version, nobody can match that, even not Yoast SEO. But yes, Yoast SEO is also a very good plugin for doing this search engine optimization. Now you can see some things here: strip category base, and no follow external links, no follow image links, so you just don't have to uh, use or select these. Now just go to breadcrumbs. Now you will see that use the following code in your theme template files to display breadcrumbs, or rank math breadcrumbs. So what is a breadcrumb? That I'll explain you further, but for right now we don't need a breadcrumb right now. Now let's go to Webmaster Tools, and here you can see that there are the IDs and verifications of the different webmasters. So you can just go ahead and verify for all these, so your website would be ranking on all these search engines. And now let's go to others. You should hit show SEO score, and yes, you can see SEO score position, support us with a link. And see, this is not necessary, but what this will do is this will show the SEO score of your post to the people visiting you. So it's not recommended, but if you want just for yourself, you can enable it, but for right now I'll not. And then you can go to edit robots.txt, and then you have to just go to this section, which is this file is automatically added by RankMath SEO plugin to help a website index better. So what robots.txt do is they create a sitemap of your website. They just give the search engines information about what all pages your website has, which helps them to rank your website better. Now you can see your sitemap of your website from this link. And to create a sitemap, you just have to use many other services, but with RankMath they are easily created. Now you can go to edit htaccess, but I do not recommend doing it, as I have promised you that we'll not use a single line of code. Now that you should go to WooCommerce, and then you can just go ahead and see what all options you're getting. But right now we don't need them, and here you can see your search console profile and other things. And yes, you're done with all the settings in RankMath for now. Just go ahead and click on Save Changes. And yes, we have just made all the settings needed right now for this. And let's go ahead to posts and create a new post. And I'll just name this post something like the best affordable mobile phones